There's a cloud. Okay. Okay, so remember, we know what the first one is.
It's
That's congruent.
right.
Great. Next one is an angle.
Uh,
Next one is coplanar, and that's
parallel.
parallel. Yep. Good. All right, let's move on. Yeah, remember if one is 85, the other one's
Oh, I
180
got
minus that, so it's
no,
95.
it's what?
95.
Yeah, 95. Oh,
So you have to make an equation here. So the equation is gonna look like
the
this.
bottom of the left.
That's your equation.
The bottom one's gonna be like um the bottom
So
one's
x is 39.
uh,
So if x is 39, then that would be 78.
yeah.
And that will be 102.
Yeah.
78, 78, 78, 78, 78. Right.
95.
Uh no. The supplement is going to be 123,
This will be
and that's gonna be 25. That's out to 90. Yep. Just keep moving.
I got this one. Hold on. One and
Yeah,
two.
so you can say 1 and 5.
Five.
Or 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is fine. No,
All right.
that's fine either way.
Vertical
Uh,
angle is 1 and 5.
1 and 6.
1 and 6.
Yeah, because they're opposite each other.
Yeah. And
And the
then
supplements to be like 1 and 2.
do you think no, um wait, so M3, so M1's gonna be
44. Mhm.
then that's pretty easy. So just
136.
add up to 88. So then you have to find two
No,
plus 9.
or just right next to it. Just do 136.
So it's 136.
Mm-hmm. And angle 4 is also 136. And your mom sent some homework. When does that due?
Well, it's also due, but this is more important. I could do it on my own
Wait. When is it due?
tomorrow, but I could do it on my own. That's
Okay.
if we don't have time. So it's only if we
Okay.
have time we'll do it.
All right. I'm just looking at it right now. Okay, let's keep moving. All right. Um, those are equal to each other.
Yeah.
So 9x minus 27
Huh?
equals 11x minus 53. So 2x equals 26. X is 13. So if x is 13, then you got to plug in here to solve for that angle, which is going to be, I'm going to get a calculator at this point because those numbers are a little too crazy to do in my head. So we know x is 13. That's all set.
Yeah.
So that's going to be 90. So z is also going to be 90.
90.
Yeah. No, x is 13. We just wrote x
Oh,
is
yeah.
13. Right. Well, let's see, just add them all up. That's just
Oh, there'll be
31.
31.
31.
Yeah. Oh, it's pretty easy. It's 4.
Mhm.
What?
Oh, it's 8
Oh,
actually.
8.
8.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, sorry. It wouldn't squared units if it were area. I didn't see that. Okay.
That's pretty easy. It's
That's
36, 72.
72, yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, now we're rolling. So,
That's pretty easy.
yeah, because if that's 7
That's
down
it's
this
half of
way,
that, so it's straight up it's 8.
no, it's 9.
9.
Because you have 7 this way, so you have 9 that way. So 9 feet. So all of it has to have to 64.
Yeah.
So 8x equals 56. So x is going to be 7. Yeah, it's just algebra at that point.
Yeah, I don't like algebra.
Well, you have to deal with it because you're going to deal with it for the next 2 years.
I heard my algebra 2 teachers really, really hard.
Well, you don't have algebra 2 right now. It'll be
But
next
that
year.
next year, like all my friends have.
But that could change. You never know.
Yeah. Because like apparently like homework he doesn't give homework, it just you have to do all on tests.
Oh,
Like the
interesting.
isn't
Okay.
graded.
So
So
so that's 2, and that's 5. So that's 10.
yeah,
That's 90. Yeah, so the perimeter is going to be hold on, a rectangle is 80 yards long. A good length and width of another rectangle that has the same perimeter but smaller. Oh, okay. So the perimeter right now is 260, right?
yeah.
And the area is 4,000.
Uh-huh.
So if you want to have the same perimeter but a lower area, you could probably do like 90 and 40
Mm-hmm.
because that would be an area of 3,600, which is less, but definitely the same perimeter.
Yeah.
So you increase one of the dimensions by 10 yards, decrease the other by 10.
Yeah. So 90.
So I did 90 and 40. Oh, wait, the other way around. Oh, actually, it won't matter. Won't matter. Yeah. Okay.
Alonzo wants to plant grass in his backyard. His backyard is the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 13 feet and the width is 21 feet. Suppose each pack of seed covers 12 square feet. How many packs of seed would you need in his backyard? You need time.
So you need to find the area
I'll just use a
first.
calculator.
Yeah, you need to find the area of the whole yard and then divide by 12.
Yeah, I'm gonna use my calculator though.
And it should be 56.
Yeah, so 56
Hmm?
from 56 divided by 12. It's 4.44 packs.
No, 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 no. The answer is 56.
Oh.
Because I took 672, the area, and divided by 12.
Oh yeah. Mhm.
Okay.
4 times, okay, so that'll be 96. 96 times 2 is 190,
The perimeter is 48, so that means it's
192.
well, give me a sec. Length of the rectangle is 3 times the width. Okay, so 3x. Hold on. Shoots. X, 3x, 3x. So all of it adds up to 8x. So x is 6.
Uh-huh.
So that's 18.
Mhm.
And that's 6. And you gotta multiply that together, which is 108.
Uh, all right. 108.
Mhm.
Who the Niners play this week?
Rams.
That's their whole team's on IR, so
It
hopefully we
sucks. I
win.
know. This is the Super Bowl hangover part that I'm worried about now. And now McCaffrey's out still about half the season. So
Well, it's not great, but the problem is it's like our defense should not get cooked. I mean, I guess you're the best.
actually they just had an unfortunate sequence of events against Minnesota because they were I like the fact that Shannon wanted to go for on fourth down. I think that was really good. But then we didn't get it. And then 2 plays later, Justin Jefferson takes it to the house. And that's a 14-point swing. Like we were down 3-0, could have been up 7-2. Now we're down 10-0. And so so turnaround downs is like a turn. And then we I think through a pick or fumble, they also capitalized on that. We did capitalize on one of their mistakes, but I just felt those and we also had another turnover on downs as well. So I just felt like all those things kind of accumulated. I mean, if anything, I think the Niners should have won the game by at least 10 points. I think they were definitely a much better football team.
Well, yeah, but also like Purdy cannot be throwing 2 interceptions.
True,
They're all
true,
his fault too. It's not like it ricocheted off someone's hand or they got
true.
hit.
But they should have converted on that fourth
Yeah.
down in the red zone. And like that, where that's where if you had a healthy McCaffrey. But it goes to show you, like, I mean, well, first of all, the Madden jinx is real because it's been going on for over 20
Well, no, no,
years.
no, no. Josh Allen had it last and he put up like,
True, but for the most part, majority have done poorly after.
yeah,
But I think part of it is the fact that like usually they put running backs on, and when a running back has a career year, the body just can't handle that punishment. And I think that's what happened with McCaffrey. Like he had such a great season, but when you touch the ball that many times, it's been when you get to a certain time is your worst enemy, right?
yeah.
I mean, but the thing is that McCaffrey's still a stud athlete. Don't get me wrong. Like I think he could still come back and be amazing, but because he had some issues with Carolina, he was getting hurt a lot, and um,
That's also because like they didn't run a functional offense.
right, and that yeah, now they're just
Because that's the thing with like
god awful.
as long as you know how to protect your body when you play, it's kind of on the coaches not to get you hurt.
But still, you do take a punch when you're running back. Anyway, let's keep moving here. Find the area of the shaded region. You want to do 13 times 8 minus 6 times 4, so minus 24. That's 104, I think.
All
So
right.
it's 80. Hexagon 6 sides. Which one's that one?
Uh, Hexagon, hold on.
Or any of them have six
Exact.
sides. None of them do
Yeah,
actually.
yeah,
None. It's none. That's
no.
none. But octagon is C.
8.
Yes,
That,
that's C.
that's B. Oh
No,
no,
A, A,
A.
A. Yep, okay. Easy peasy. That's gonna be
1,
three.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Hold
13,
on. No. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You do half of 8 times 3.
4 times 3 is 12.
Right. So it's 13 times 4. So 1/2 times 4 times 13. So that should be 26. Oh,
Oh,
you gotta put yard squared. Yard squared, yard squared, yard squared. Get rid of the other yard. Okay, let's move on.
13.
Yeah, you want to do 2 pi r or pi d. So it's 26 pi.
Um, um, um,
But you do want to do put 3.14, don't round it. So we do 26 times 3.14. That should be 81.64.
16.
16 pi. Good. So you do 16 times 3.14, which is going to be 50.24.
15.14.
50.24. Nope. 24, 24, 24, 24. 0.24. It's square yards, square yards, square yards, square yards. Remember, it's area. Wait, what? Hold on. Wait. Give me a sec. Find the area of circle radius of 8. Oh, wait. 8 squared. I'm sorry. I did 8 times. My bad. It's 200.96. Yeah, remember because you have to square the 8.
That should be
Oh,
good, right?
yeah, I think I was doing the conference earlier. I didn't read it carefully. So area is going to be 16 times 3.14, and perimeter will be 8 times 3.14. So you should get 50.24 and 25.12. So you should have
Repeat that.
50.24 for area, 25.12 for circumference.
Oh, 50 feet.
Wait, yeah, okay.
Oh, you should add everything up. 18, 27, 49.
Yeah.
Pretty easy. Just the base times width. So, what would actually this be?
So I do 1/2 of 20 times 21.
So would that be
10 times 21, which is 4
210,
420.
420,
No. Half 10.
210.
210, right? 210 square centimeters. So 16 pi. So it's going to be 16 times 3.14, which is going to be 50.24.
50.
15. Sorry, 50.24. I feel like we've had that answer quite a bit. And it's a circumference, right? So area, so diameter is 8, so radius is 4. And you gotta do 16 times 3.14. It's 50.24 again. It's too funny. 50.24 square feet. Hmm? Diameter is 6, so radius is 3. So you do 2 pi r pi d, so 6 times 3.14. Then if you do 3 squared, 9 pi, 9 times 3.14. So you should have 18.84 for your circumference and 28.26 for your area. Square centimeters, square centimeters, square centimeters.
Bro.
Remember, area is always square units.
Yeah. Oh, it's easy. 226, 51.
Good. Okay, that was great. That was incredibly efficient. Good. I like that. Let's just quickly look at your homework. All right. Oh, I had it open. So that's regular, convex, concave. It's not regular necessarily because not all the sides are the same. So you just want to be mindful about that.
Yeah.
So that's not, everything else is fine. Here, I mean, yeah, I mean, that's just easy. To find the perimeter, you just add up all the sides. Yeah, I know you can do that. I'm not worried about that. Perimeter here obviously would be 9. Perimeter is like circumference, that's 8 pi.
Mm-hmm.
That's going to be 12. 14 times 4, that's 56. Area, I'll do in blue. That's 14 times 14, 196. That's half of 3 times 4, 6.
Uh-huh.
That's a 16 pi. And that's 1/2 of 2 times 3.5, so it's 3.5.
Yeah.
So those are pretty straightforward. Here, I know you can do this, I'm not gonna waste time. But here, what you want to do, this is a little tricky. Like -2, -4 is right here. Now, fortunately, these are the same y values. That's 6. And that's a length, that's a height of 7.
Yeah.
So you get 21.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So those are not so hard, right? You just got to plot the points and you realize, oh yeah, from 3 to -1, that's 4. From -3 to 4, that's 7. So you get 28.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, we don't know if it's complementary
Oh, I already
because,
did this one. I already did this one.
but we don't know if it is
No,
because
no,
we don't
I,
have
you know, I already, I turned this worksheet in. I already did it.
but I just want to tell you, so that's a no.
Oh, it is.
SRQ and QRP, that's a yes because they're right next to each other. MQN and MQR, not vertical, not opposite each other. That's a no. Okay, so you kind of botched that one.
Yeah.
But this is why I'm recording it, and you could review later. Like opposite angles would be like MQN and RQP, like they're directly
Yeah.
opposite each other, congruent. Here, um, so Darren sketched a map of cross streets near his house. So when you describe, you want to be a little more explicit. You could say, for example, beacon's 90 degrees
Yeah.
because opposite this. So beacon. Also, you could say olive and main are complementary.
Yeah.
It's actually street and San Carlos and Road City, respectively, are complementary because they're going to both have to 90. One of the slices measure 2x and there's 3x with a measure of each. You know, if the complement up to 9, good, good. Plus 2x plus 3 is so 5x equals 9. Okay, I don't know if sure you got 30 from. You got to be careful. 2x plus 3x, not 2x plus 30 equals 90. 5x equals 90. X is 18.
Uh-huh.
So that's 36 and 54. Um, so that's 45, and that's 45, and that's 135. So angle 4 is 40 degrees.
Yep.
Vertical angles, 1 and 3 are vertical.
Uh-huh.
I can't really read that carefully, but 1 and 3. Measure angle 2 is 135. We know this. Okay.
Yeah.
Obtuse vertical angles. Obtuse is more than 90. You can say angle F. I can't read that, but I would say GFH for sure. Yeah. And BFE. So definitely GFH. And BFE. I mean, I'm guessing that's more than 90. I'm not 100% sure, but it looks like it. Name of the linear pair with vertex B. Um, yeah, so you gotta look at the linear pairs. So ABC and then CBG. Then adjacent to but complement to FGC. Um, well, adds up to 90 shoots because I know CGF is next to it. Um, I don't know. You also understand CGF or FGC. Oh, I don't know. Oh, wait one sec. So one of them one's 40 degrees, but I don't know which other one's 40 degrees. I don't know if we can do that one. The other one, name the angle adjacent and supplementary DCV. Yeah, that'd be BCG. That's easy. But man, I can't think of that one for that one. Um, yeah, Tunis con 121 more than twice the other. Yeah, okay, that's good. So you have 3Y and 69 to 23. Yeah, good. So you have to have to 180. Yeah, equals 180. The 2x equals 258. X equals 129. Yeah, okay, good, good. And then 51, good. Okay, so that's good. Looks like you're good with those. I mean, you've been doing fine with that. Trying to think what else we got here. So you already turned this in, you said?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
That's it. That's all we got.
I'm just looking at these really quickly. Convex, concave. That one's convex, by the way, the second one here.
Yeah.
Concave means it caves in, or if you draw like if you pick 2 points and part of the segment lies outside, that makes it concave. So that's concave because it caves in.
Yeah.
That's concave as well. That's also concave.
Hmm.
Okay, so because you're going to test on this, we got to make sure you're careful on it. I mean, so that's convex. You're totally mixing it up. Convex means it doesn't cave in, or you can't pick if you pick 2 points, but the segment stays fully inside, then it's convex.
Yeah.
But if it's part of it lies outside, it's concave. That's regular, and that's convex for number one.
Yeah.
Um,
It's just graded for like completion.
No, I know, but this is stuff that you can be tested on, so I
Yeah.
want to make sure. You know where your next test is?
No, I do not.
Okay, find the measure of an angle and its comp if one angle measures 24 degrees more. Yeah, so x plus 24
Mm-hmm.
equals 90. So 2x equals 66. X is 33. Yeah, you got that. And the other one's going to be then 57,
Mm-hmm.
not 54. Supplement measures of an angle is 36 less than the angle. Measure x plus x.
Mm-hmm.
So it has to be 72. Yeah, so 5x equals 80. X is 16. Yeah, okay, that's pretty easy then. And then Pat, fine for this one here. We can wrap it up because it's getting close to 10 o'clock.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure
Um,
I need to go to bed after waking up like five
yeah.
o'clock in the morning.
Um, geez, for what?
Working out.
For football?
Nah, well, it's like not for football, but it's like a bunch of like people
Do you
like
play
it's like a
football?
program.
Are you playing football this year?
Yeah,
JV?
yeah.
How are you guys doing so far?
Uh, I mean, we played like three top 100 teams in the country.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Played the number two team.
And you guys didn't do
Uh,
so hot.
oh no, our varsity lost by 40, and we lost by like 30.
But you guys had a good run. I mean, you guys had like some really good teams in the
Oh,
past.
last year, that's about it. Last year was like our best team.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. 18x equals 81, which, gosh, what is that? Hold on. BGC. That's just weird. 18x plus 9, 81 divided by 18. Oh, 4.5. It's not that bad. Okay, I thought it was gonna be a really wacky number, but all right, I think we're good.
All right,
Okay.
so
And I'll see you on Thursday, I think at eight
all right, too.
o'clock. So, all right. See you.
Bye
Bye.
bye.